Children are vital to society. As a matter of fact, they are the foundation to our very societies today. The late Whitney Houston, she recorded a song called "The Greatest Love of All." And the lyrics went, in the beginning, something like this. The children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way, and show them all the beauty they possess inside, and give them a sense of pride. Now, I want us to just think about this for a minute, because we have to teach the children, and then at some point they're going to have to lead the way. So the world tomorrow must be led by the children of today. So we have to do our part as parents to basically impart into their lives so that they can do what they need to do